Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Dolphin in Heartopia by completing this twin shadow quest in Heartopia. So today the goal of Will's week 2 update introduced the brand new animal, the Dolphin. And if you want to unlock it, here's the fastest way. First, just log into the game and then just head to the coral area, and then you will see the short trailer like this. And then after that you will automatically receive this twin shadow quest over here, and then next just simply follow the quest guide. Your mission is to investigate 3 different locations in the whale area. Just go to the whale area by following this guide like this, and then just go and interact with the investigation points like this. Just interact with it and then just tap on the investigate like this, and then just go to the another points over here. This one, just click on it and then investigate. And then for the last points over here like this, and then just tap on it again, tap on investigate. And then once you have finished investigating all 3 locations, 3 points, the quest will be complete and you will immediately unlock the Dolphin. And after that you will go to the Dolphin Trough. Just follow the guide like this. We will meet Rory at the near the trough, and then after that you can just start to feed the dolphin, and then you can just interact with it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.